Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. I have this eyeglass repair kit, and if you have eyeglasses, this is absolutely like a critical thing to have around. And it comes with a bunch of cool little accessories and stuff. Great little pack. Actually, I'm going to hang on to that so I can keep it all in one area. But so it gives you a couple different eyeglass screwdrivers. One is your flat, the other is your Phillips head. Super helpful is this tweezer set, especially if you have these little tiny screws, which is basically what this whole kit is. And then it comes with a travel screwdriver. So you got a flat head on one side of it. It's for like your keychains, so you can put it in your keychains, so you always have it available. Super handy. And then on this end you have a Phillips head. So, and that's going right in my pocket because I'm going to put it on my keychain, so I always have that available. And then basically these are the screws. And it has these little tabs on here. Kind of protect it during shipping. So you peel them off. One on either side. And like I said, so I don't know about you, but I've lost screws on my different glasses, and I'm like, no idea what size it is. So with this set,
motion detected at the side.
So with this set, it basically has just about every screw and little washer and a couple different nuts that you could possibly need. So what I do, let's say that I lose a screw on my one pair of glasses. What I'll do is I'll actually take the other screw off and I'll compare it to what's in here. So to give you an idea, let me get one from the first part. So, and this is where these come in handy, because these screws are so small, they bounce all over the place. That's what I like about this kit. So if you happen to lose a couple, you can get a replacement. And it has all these little ends on these too. So I mean, there's a bunch, there's a bunch of stuff that you can do with this kit. Let me just get some of these, because
motion detected at the front of garage.
Looks like a couple of these is stuck. But I mean, it just gives you a lot of little itty bitty replacements, and I'm like kind of flinging them all over the place. But again, trying to get these with your hands. I mean, I got some generally large fingers, so that will become a problem. But like this glass here, so this side is a little on the loose side, so I can just basically put that in there and just give it a nice little tightening up. And these are my wife's glasses, so she's constantly having open and shut, and then just a little bit, and that makes it nice and tight. And I basically repaired those glasses. And if it was missing a screw, like I said, we have a huge assortment here. Just to kind of give you an idea, let me get these better view. Actually, maybe if I had it the right way so you can see it. But those are all the different sizes that you have in there. And again, it's like a entire, let me get this out of my pocket. It's an entire eyeglass repair kit for any of your screws. If the frames become a little on the loose side, you can have a choice of screw to put in there. Sometimes screws wear out and you can put a new screw in there and, you know, make it fit a lot better. But anyway, what a great eyeglass kit. Glasses not included, but you have everything else you need. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.